Hey, welcome to Love Live Save. Now I know I posted another deal video with cleaning supplies couponing deals for you, but I have even more cleaning supply deals to share with you for this Saturday, April 8th at Dollar General. If you enjoy the deals, please hit the thumbs up like button and let's get to it. But first, I want to let you know on my Patreon page every week I post my complete couponing deals list because most times I do not have enough time to post all of my couponing content to all my social media platforms. So for a small fee every month, you can sign up for one of my Patreon memberships and have access to things like my complete couponing deals list, of which this week I wrote 120 couponing deals. You can download the file and either just have it on your phone or print it off. It makes going to the store super easy. All the information you need is down in the video description. So for our first cleaning supplies deal, grab 2 of the 6-count packs of Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, 2 bottles of the Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays, and then 1 of the Febreze Small Spaces. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.25. Now I know that's pretty close to the $25 threshold, so if it makes you feel more comfortable, grab a small candy bar or a piece of candy at the registers, but you should be totally fine. We have $16.05 worth of digital coupons, and of course that includes the 5 off 25 Saturday coupon. Just a reminder, you gotta make sure you clip that. That brings our total out of pocket down to just $9.20 plus tax, or a 64% off savings, which is amazing when you consider we almost never get really good coupons for the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. So if that's an item that you use for your household, please take this as a sign to take advantage of this deal now and stock up. I for sure plan on doing personally cleaning supplies deal number 2 here because this will help me stock up on all the things that I am currently needing for my stockpile. So for this deal, grab 3 bags of the 12-count Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets, 2 bottles of Ajax dish soap, and then 1 of the 2-count packs of Oral-B toothbrushes. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.20, and then we have $16.25 worth of digital coupons. So that brings our total out of pocket all the way down to just $8.95 plus tax, or a 64% off savings. This is awesome deal. It helps you to stock up on a lot of stuff and it will last you a while. Another item that I am trying to make a priority to add into my stockpile is white vinegar. I don't know about you, but I am constantly out. I use it for everything. It's a really great substitute for fabric softener if that's something you're into. So I am really excited for this deal. So for our third cleaning supplies deal, grab 2 bottles of the Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays, 2 gallons of the Clover Valley white vinegar, and then 1 of the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $30, but we have $15.50 worth of digital coupons. So that brings our total out of pocket down to just $14.50 plus tax, or a 52% off savings. With spring cleaning officially in full gear in my household, one of the first things that I do in my spring cleaning process is I strip all the bed sheets, all of the comforters, and all the blankets. And that is currently what I'm working on doing today, other than working on these couponing deal videos for you. So I'm going to be super excited to restock my laundry cleaning supplies because I'm going to be really low after the next couple days. So for our fourth cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 bottle of Gain fabric softener, 1 bottle of extra laundry detergent. Super excited that we finally got that coupon back after we haven't had it for months. 1 bag of Tide Pods, and then 1 bottle of Gain laundry detergent. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.95, and then we have $11.50 worth of digital coupons. So that brings our total out of pocket down to just $14.45 plus tax, or a 44% off savings. For our fifth cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 bottle of Finish Jet Dry Cleaner, 2 of the Airwick Essential Mist refills, 2 bottles of Ajax dish soap, 1 bag of Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets, and then 1 of the 2-count packs of Oral-B toothbrushes. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $34.25. I know that's a lot. That's a lot more than my usual before coupon total, but we got a lot of coupons. We have $21.25 worth of digital coupons with this deal. So that brings our total out of pocket all the way down to just $13 even plus tax, or a 62% off savings. For our sixth cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 bag of Tide Pods, 1 of the 2-count packs of Sparkle paper towels. I really wish we had a coupon for these. I'm just going to put it out into the couponing universe that I would really like some better coupons for paper towels over the next coming weeks because I need to replenish my stockpile. Then grab 2 bottles of Lysol all-purpose cleaner and then 2 boxes of the 6-count Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.75. We have $12.50 worth of digital coupons, so that brings our total out-of-pocket down to just $13.25 plus tax, or a 49% off savings. Moving on to cleaning supplies deal number 7, grab 2 bottles of Palmolive dish soap, 1 bottle of Gain fabric softener, 1 bottle of extra laundry detergent, 2 gallon-sized bottles of Clover Valley white vinegar, and then 1 of the Airwick plugins. Before coupons, total retail value comes to $25.75. And then we have $13.50 worth of digital coupons. So that brings our total out-of-pocket down to just $12.25 plus tax, or a 52% off savings. Moving on to cleaning supplies deal number 8, we're going to stock up on some things that are traditionally a little bit more difficult to coupon. Grab 1 of the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits, 1 box of Hefty Ultra Strong trash bags, 1 bottle of Pinolin cleaner. Please tell me if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm really trying to learn to pronounce it correctly. And then 1 box of Crest toothpaste. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes at $27.30. We have $13.50 worth of digital coupons. So that brings our total out of pocket down to just $13.80 plus tax, or a 49% off savings. For our 9th cleaning supplies deal, grab 1 of the 2-count packs of Febreze Small Spaces, 2 bottles of Mr. Clean Clean Freak sprays, 1 of these Swiffer Duster starter kits, and then 1 bag of Finish Quantum dishwasher tablets. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.45, and then we have $16.80 worth of digital coupons. So that brings our total out of pocket down to just $9.65 plus tax, or a 64% off savings. This is a really great couponing deal to stock up on some of the cleaning supplies essentials. Moving on to cleaning supplies deal number 10, grab 1 of the Airwick plugins, 1 of the Febreze plugins, 1 Swiffer Wet Jet refill, 2 bottles of Palmolive dish soap, 1 bottle of Gain fabric softener, and then finally 1 bag of Tide Simply Pods. Before coupons, our total retail value comes to $26.25. And then we have $17.30 worth of digital coupons. So that brings our total out of pocket down to just $8.95 plus tax, or a 66% off savings. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope it helps you save a lot of money this week. One of my favorite things about posting these couponing deal videos is responding to all of your comments. It really means a lot to me that you're taking a moment out of your very busy days to correspond with me down below in the comments. Feel free to ask any of your questions. Let me know what your favorite deal is in today's video. All of it is so much fun and is greatly appreciated. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, when I post any of my future couponing deal videos, and this week I have a bunch of them, you'll receive a notification, you won't miss out, and I will see you in the next video.